I'm Michelle Merlo, host of Buffalo Rising's Bitters. This series, sponsored by KegWorks, will explore unique ingredients of local cocktail culture and the products, people, and places that make drinking in Buffalo so special. Once again, the kind folks at Toutant have let me behind their bar, and I'm stirring up a Manhattan. This sturdy classic cocktail has more variations than the island itself has area codes. For my favorite 2-1-2 recipe, I'm using Crafthouse by Fortessa's Smoke Box kit. Smoke infusions ignite different flavor profiles and can provide a memorable multi-sensory experience for you and your guests. I also recommend smoking your favorite Margarita, an old-fashioned, a dark and stormy, or Boulevardier. Use your own discretion when deciding which cocktails would shine with a little added smoke. For broader use, you can smoke single ingredients like vermouth, Amaro, juices, or syrups. I encourage you to get creative this season by smoking herbs, spices, fruits, oils, and of course, cocktails.